Brad Williams, Excel Prime, strip period and domain from category. Forget what that, the explicit language is. We're going to strip a certain number of characters from a starting point, from wherever we plant our flag. Starting left to right, you know how simple this is. We have the left function. We're going to find fine. Here we have a period. You could have a semicolon. You can have whatever you want, as long as it's consistent. As long as it's consistent, if it's a period, if it's a hyphen, if it's a forward slash, you're going to have to define that here in your find function. Left is going to start left to right. Whatever that number is, find is just going to find that predefined character, and essentially number of characters we want to keep. Remember that? This is all about characters we're keeping, extracting, really. That's the simple part. Here, find is 3. It's -1. Why? Because we want to get rid of the period. What we're doing is going left, B5, 3. We want to keep 3 characters. Here, 4, we want to keep Mike. Here, it's 8 because we have Chris 777 count. And you're going to see Chris 777 is 8. Find actually counts 9, and then we subtract 1. Over here, just for fun, I threw a right in the play. See the problem? Think through this for a second. Is there a problem? I see com, and that's, you want to capture the last 3 characters. Think through this. We're going right. Be fine. Well, it just happens that the first 3 characters and the last 3 characters are the same. Here we have Mike and JPG. See where we're kind of falling into this trap? Find is 4 characters and JPG is 3. So we have this period here, even though we use the -1. Then we go down here, and all of a sudden it blows up. You wanted the last 4 characters, and here we have, what's find doing? Find is just following your instructions, and we know find is 8. Right is doing exactly what you instructed it to do, and that is, it's finding from the starting point, from this period, and it's just counting 8. How many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -1 is 7777 is, well, Chris and 777. I don't want to count these, but you get the point. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what do we have to do to fix this? Remember, we had that len function, and we have a starting point. We're going to use this right function, and we want to keep the last 3. We're going to use this len, which is going to be our total length, minus find, which is going to be 3. How do I know? Let's look here. Len text, F9, we didn't get the number. We're going to take this number and from find dot period, whatever the number of characters in find, we know is 7. We already showed that. We're going to go len total length, which is going to be what? 10. So len is going to be 10 minus 7. Here, going back up here, let me explain this to you. We have right B7 find. Find is going to be 8. What we're doing is counting 8 characters. F9. We're just grabbing from the right, going left. We're going to count 8 characters because we know this find function -1 is going to be 8, but then we added 1. So there's going to be a total of 9. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this find right here, I got myself all screwed up here. It's going to be 9, and then we add 1. So it's going to be total 10. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.